Hey, what's up guys? Today we're at this storage unit and we won this at auction for $820. It's a 10 by 10 in Riverview, Florida. What I saw inside of the unit when bidding on it was a bunch of boxes, looks like to be appliance parts. We've done great in the past with appliance parts, so for me, an $820 risk is worth it. But let's see if it actually pays out. As you can see, a bunch of boxes in here. Boxes are always like a kid on Christmas. We don't know what's inside and it's exciting coming here. So the first ones I wanted to look at was the ones with the yellow lids. The yellow lids are always exciting to open. People take care of stuff and they usually put it in here. So let's see what this is. Looks like it's just some cover of some sort. A broken fishing rod. Honestly, this box just looks like a bunch of junk, as you can see here. So honestly, $0 of value here. Just gonna stick this to the side. Let's check out the other one. This one's a little heavier, so hopefully there's something good. Okay, so honestly, it looks like a bunch of hosing and stuff for appliance parts, a bunch of cords as well that you could plug in. Other than that, I mean, yeah, just a bunch of cords and little parts and accessories to probably all these appliance parts back here in the back. Yeah, so we're gonna keep this to the side, keep these cords. They might be useful to sell some of the parts in the back. So we're 0 for 2 with the black and yellow lids. Let's see if this last one makes out. Okay, what we have here is just looks like used, or these face plates for washers and dryers, stuff like that. Looks like there's 2 of them in here. And then again, same concept, a bunch of wires, cords, stuff like that for all of these appliance parts. We do have a few, oh, here we go. So we do have some stuff sneaking in the boxes. Looks like these motherboards. The nice thing about them is the model number is always on it. Look up the model number, see the sold comps on eBay, and then list it appropriately so they sell in a timely fashion manner, right? This was snuck inside of one of the yellow totes lids. And like I said, we'll go through this more here, but the main thing for the unit is all of these boxes here, which we're pretty excited to go through. To me, right off the bat, seems like a few $1,000s worth of stuff.
Some stuff that's not boxed up. These are like doors for front load washers. This one looks used. I'm not sure if that might be like an old one that they replaced, and this might be the new one. How about that? Right there. New one. Here's the seal, the rubber seal for inside the door. Definitely get some money for that. I believe this is like a higher end GE model. By this point, we might as well just open up a appliance store. Right here you got the ice maker. These sell pretty well. I'll pull it out. Ice Max. These always sell for 40, 50 bucks a piece no matter what, even used. A lot of these boxes look like motherboards, ice makers. Right here, GE. It's pretty light. Model number's right there. It says it's an auger, which is going to be the middle part of a washer that spins, is what I'm guessing. Let's see if I'm right. And I'm right. This spins and washes your clothes. Put this to the side. You know, that right there could probably be like 25, 30 bucks. Here's a whirlpool part. Pretty light too, sounds plastic. Says it's a shield. Shield of some sort. Looks like it probably covers like a motor. how the pulley system goes. It probably like covers it. Parts like that are usually like 15, 20, 30 bucks also. This little guy, already open. Says it's a main control board. Bang, right there, packaged up. You know, like I said, these go anywhere from 30, 40 bucks up to 200, 300 bucks sometimes. Depends on how nice of a appliance. GE, right here. Mel's Appliances. This is the stickers that were on the very first unit we got in Hudson. The one we got in Hudson, the very first appliance store or unit we got with appliance parts was Mel's Appliances. So they must have went out of business or something, or they were pushing a lot of appliance parts, and now we got them all. Ice maker again. These sell like hotcakes. We actually sold a couple this past week. 40, 50 bucks right here. It's probably hard to sell parts like this at an appliance store, just at a storefront location. Motherboards. Looks like 2 of them. Sometimes they have 2 parts in one. So we gotta look these up. Like I said, another 50, 60 bucks. Samsung Care. Looks like a heating element for a dryer, which is exactly what it is, but it looks used, like it's been installed probably. It actually looks new, open box. This goes in the back of the dryer, hooks up to your vent system, and the coils is what heats your dryer. These are usually like 40 bucks, depends. So you guys, all these appliance parts, it all adds up. Another ice maker, yep, a smaller one. Another ice maker part. Brand new. The whole kit right there, another 50, 60 bucks. Whew. I was kind of worried about it falling. I have a lot of experience in appliances because back in college, one of the first things I started flipping to make some good money was washer and dryers. And refrigerators too. Here's another box. Looks like some like pump or sending unit for an appliance. It is, oh, it's an ice maker. Specialty one probably, I don't know. I love ice makers though. Look at that. You see guys? Just 50, 40, 40, 50, 30, 20, right? There's 400 bucks right there. Even the little guys. Sometimes the little guys are the ones that make the most money. An element surface. This is probably for like a range. Yep, it's for like a range. That's the element. So this is what goes underneath your glass top stove and heats your stove. So you pull the glass top off, put that down, and it's a numbers game with these appliance parts. Let me see this. A main board. Oh yeah, these are the ones I feel like are worth a lot. These long ones. Just a main control board. I'm not going to open it right now. Oh, it looks like a front or something for an appliance, so it comes with the like front plastic, and then the back's the motherboard. All right, guys. We have a lot of appliance parts here. You're going to get bored after me talking about every single part that comes out of here. We know you probably get it by now. Appliance parts, ice makers, and whatnot. So we're gonna set the camera up, kind of do like a time lapse deal, let it run, and we're gonna start open up these appliance parts and just watch us and stay tuned. We'll bring some good stuff to the camera and get these things back to the shop and posted. All right.
More motherboards here, or control boards. Here, you probably want to take these, they're easy to post. There's two in there. Right here, hold this. Put it with the camera.
That's a dryer lid. Or washer. The top of a washer. These are the hinges. You know what I'm
I
saying?
mean, brand new too.
These are the hinges.
Yeah. Here. You think it's worth you taking and posting this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
All of them are worth posting.
I mean, obviously, but you know what I mean. Like,
I mean, you definitely could take some. You can take some of the smaller stuff.
yeah. Here. Assembly PCB, which is what? Power control board?
Yeah, like a motherboard.
Stator. Looks like a washer, or no, a dryer filter, right?
Like a vent, like a lint.
Link, yeah.
For the dryer lint.
You can put these in yours, I guess. For easy post.
I mean, as long as it might be like a $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 unit.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. These are pretty nice. Oh, hell yeah. This is the one where it's like
Hopefully it
a
works.
screen of a refrigerator.
Let me see.
Yeah, that's it.
You
Screen
can
of
tell-
refrigerator.
You can tell which one it is.
I mean, what are you going to do? Test that? No way.
No. Why is it? That's not duct tape. No.
No, that's how.
Yeah. I mean, you can sell it as used, I guess.
Yeah, you
Put
sell
that-
as
put that in
used.
your truck. Oh, it's full.
I mean, Brian was able to find something like this for about $300 or something dollars.
Well, the exact one.
The exact one.
Manufacturer.
300 from the manufacturer. I mean, if we sell this for 150 bucks, was that 1/5 of the unit after it sells? I mean, we don't mind sitting on it for a few months. Oh yeah, we have this one. Now we have two of them. No, look, we had this one. I have this at my shop right now. Hasn't sold yet, but I know I have it posted for like 300 bucks. This is from the very first unit. I mean, this is about $300 listed. It'll take a while to sell. I think this is something to do with induction.
It's the same foot. There's another one of the ones I just put back.
I mean, just that back corner over here is probably 800 bucks on between 3 to 4 of the pieces. I mean, minus eBay fees, but it's still 800 bucks in sales. I mean, those two might be decent too. Here's another one. Look, here.
Same thing.
Same thing again, same board, right?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this back corner might be at 1,500 bucks. Honestly. 1,500.
What's the seal for a door?
I mean, I'll take some of these too.
Take some of them too.
Here, I'll put them here.
Let me take that same one for that. I'm gonna put enough like quantity or whatever.
Yeah. Okay, so we're wrapping up, cleaning up the unit. We're packing the boxes in both of our trucks. Again, we paid $820 for this unit. There's probably 300 to 400 appliance parts. Most of them are open box or new, so that's a great sign. And we think we could realistically sell everything for about $6,000 to $10,000 in sales on eBay. So at the end of the day, this was a win unit. We won on this unit. We're probably going to maybe 5 or 6 times our money. But thank you guys for staying to the end of the video if you have. Before you guys go, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also like this content so people can see it as well.